Welcome back to my garage. Today we're going to stretch the frame a little bit, which will hopefully make it a bit more stable at takeoffs. Hopefully be able to take off at full throttle again. This thing, the smog pump or supercharger, is going to have to fit in here somewhere. So I need to stretch it enough so that this is going to fit. I think around 10 centimeters or 4 inches should be a nice length to stretch it with. So let me start with taking everything apart. So the idea is I'm going to cut it here and here and move this piece back 10 centimeters, 4 inches. Okay, so here we have some more pieces of the roof rack that I built this frame out of. So I'm going to cut it here, and then cut some pieces out of this to put in between here and just weld this back on a bit further back. So let's start cutting. I put quite a bit of weld on here, so I think I'm going to just cut it off and put the new piece in between and clean up the pipe later. Okay, I'm going to weld the top here back together first. I made some reinforcements, I guess, that are a pretty good fit against this piece here. So let's go weld it. Okay, so I'm about to start welding it. Here's the little extension. Just with a piece of rubber band for now. I'm going to clamp this down so it's somewhat straight at least. Okay, so there we go, finished. Took forever. I'm pretty new to the whole TIG welding stuff, so it's good practice. So I've been having to do a bit of thinking here. I want to get rid of the bearing holders in the frame, so just use this to and shorten the shaft. But the sprocket needs to sit around here somewhere. I'm not sure if this shaft is up for that. So I want to move out the bearing to here somewhere. So I'm going to have to make a little extension piece for this tower or whatever you want to call it. So I made a little drawing here that I will press into here, and I'm going to try to weld it as well. So yep, let's get started on that. Okay, so I finished turning it and pressed it into the tower here. So I'm going to try and weld this now. I'm not sure if that's going to work, because I've never welded in this, but we'll see, I guess. There we go. Going to say that this is good enough, because it's the cast aluminum here. It's a pain in the ass to weld in, especially for a beginner like me. But I think it's gonna stay put now. So yep, going to let this cool off. It's pretty hot right now. So I'll get back to you later. Okay, so it's all back together here. And the gear has a little bit of play sideways, so it will automatically align with the sprocket on the rear wheel. This is a keyed shaft, if you couldn't tell. So I'm just going to put a little bit of paint on it so it doesn't start rusting right away, and then we'll start putting it back together. Okay, all back together. Should be good for a test right now. I ran into one little issue. My rear brake cable was a bit short, so I had to route it like this. I think that maybe I have to add like a little protection here, or move this bar later. but for now it should be fine. So yep, let's go for a test ride, see if this gave anything. Oh, crap. Okay, so that test ride was over pretty quick. This happened at the first full throttle start. So I guess not putting the bearing houses in the frame wasn't the greatest idea. So I guess I'll be putting those back. Have to figure out a way to solve this little problem now. I think the easiest way is make a new one, new backplate out of steel. Or maybe just order a new one. Or try to weld it, but I saw yesterday that stuff is not great to weld on. But we'll see, I guess. So I guess that's it for today. I'm a bit sweaty because I just had to push this thing back, but more work, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I guess next video we're going to fix this stuff. So see you next time. Bye.